नमस्कार मित्रांनो, आज आत्ता आपण पाहणार आहोत हा आहे भारताचा नकाशा. योगायोगाने काय झालंय की मला सारखं गुगल मॅप्सवरती पहिल्यापासूनच वेगवेगळ्या कारणाने सर्फिंगची सवय लागलेली. तर काय होतंय की त्याच्यावरती सर्फ करता करता तुमच्या कामाची माहिती माझ्याकडे येते. त्या माहितीचा उपयोग स्थानिक भूमिपुत्रांच्या फायद्याचा कसा करेल यावरती माझा विशेष करून जास्त भर असतो. बहुतेक आता जी अपडेट देणार आहे ती बहुतेक कुणाकडेच नसावी. मी काहीतरी टॅगिंग करून ठेवत असतो, त्यावेळेस काही दिसलं मला की एकच मिनिट रिझोल्यूशन होईल. रिझोल्यूशन झालं की पहा. पहिली, दुसरी, चौथी, तिसरी असं काही नाही आहे. ते मार्किंग करून ठेवलेलं आहे. काही वेळेस रिझोल्यूशनला वेळ लागतो. थोडासा धीर धरा. बऱ्याच स्टेटमध्ये मी जे टॅग्स करून ठेवतो तर ते उडवून टाकतात आणि अपलोड करताना बरेच राज्य मी मुद्दामून इंडिया म्हणून सर्च करतो तर तिथं ते इंडिया म्हणून ऑप्शन देतच नाहीत. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस मला टॅग करायचा असतो एखाद्या प्लेसला, मग तोही विषय एखाद्या दिवशी कार्यक्रम आपण सूचना आणि प्रसार मंत्रालयाकडे इथंच आहे अलाइनमेंट. पण आता टॅग्स म्हणजे आले की तांत्रिक अडचणी येत असतात, तरी धीर आणि संयमाने पुढे जायचं असतं. एवढंच. हे कोडिकोंडा म्हणून बागेपल्लीच्या वरती उत्तरेला आणि बेंगलोरच्या इकडं उत्तर ईशान्येला जो भाग आहे तिथलीच अपडेट देणार आहे. तुम्ही म्हणता किंवा तिकडं ठीक आहे, तो हे येत असतो, काय म्हणतात त्याला, गुगल सबटायटल्स येत असतात त्या लोकांना. आज काय गुगल मॅप्स नाराज आहे का काय नाही. एवढा वेळ कधीच लागला नाही आत्तापर्यंत. त्याबद्दल दिलगिरी असावी. चला, तोपर्यंत पुट्टपर्ती सत्यसाईबाबाच्या इथली पुट्टपर्ती जिल्ह्यातली एक अपडेट सांगतो. हे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल की बाबा नेमकं मला काय सांगायचं आहे. ते पुट्टपर्तीच्या दक्षिणेला असं काम चालू आहे. मला ॲक्च्युली जी सांगायची ती अपडेट या भागात आहे. टॅग्स करून ठेवलेले आहेत. दोन तीन दिवसापूर्वीच केलेलं आहे. म्हणताला असं काय भटकत आहे वरती. एकदा ते टॅग झाले ना 2 मिनिटात विषय समोर येतो. सहा 44 झालेत. 3-4 मिनिट अजून वाट बघू. नाही जर झालं तर मग मात्र व्हिडिओ कॅन्सल करावा लागेल. परत एकदा नवीन व्हिडिओ बनवावा लागेल. ओके थांबा. व्हिडिओ नवीन बनवायची गरज नाही पडणार. आलं सेव्ड. असे नाही आले तर असे शोधू ना आपण. ते एक बरं आहे. त्यासाठी गुगल मॅप्सला धन्यवाद. आली. उशीर झाल्याबद्दल दिलगिरी व्यक्त करतो. सॉरी फॉर इनकन्व्हिनियन्स. हाय फ्रेंड्स. ड्यू टू very familiar with Google Maps, I have some update for you guys regarding this, what we call it as Bangalore Visakhapatnam Greenfield Expressway. Okay, now we are at this Gangampalli forest south to Puttaparthi and north to Govani Varipalli. Sorry about pronunciation, as it is not that much familiar for me, as we have born and brought in Maharashtra. So just I will check out with neighboring villages. You just follow that Kolimipalli, Guntipalli, this Jakasamudram. Just I am pronouncing some north-south names. This Bayanakuntapalle, then this Google tags, as they might be editable, so I am not going to reveal those. This is Challamai Garipalli. Once again sorry about pronunciation, as it is not that much familiar for me. If anything wrong, please forgive me. If you check out with these locations, you may have some street markings. Check out this. Okay, what is this? CH blah 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 98 plus 270 VUP. So I think this much authentication is more than enough. Okay, they have not done this, what we call it as, uh, that Google van may not be there. I think this is the labor colony. They also not added any photos or videos. This is also randomized. Okay, yes, some, okay, they just add one construction. This is just my observations. We have to cross verify with information you guys have locally. In that case also, please forgive if anything does not matches, as you is to human, forgives to divine. Okay, just I will checking out this location. We may find some markings. Yes, look at this plus mark. Okay, sometimes it may be there, sometimes it may not be. Which one is this location? Just this, check out Mairedipalle and Amoga. This one tag is there. Just you guys from Bangalore, northeast, check out. As work is in progress, it is for all the our content creator friend also, those having drones and high-tech facility, so that they can have some progressive information regarding such project going in your territory. So I request all content creators, if possible, anybody from that territory, do make some drone videos, or what we call it as, from ground report. We can say it like a ground report. Okay, this is this update from Goranta, east, south, Puleru, west, north, then up to this what I have already recalled. If you give me permission, we will proceed further and may give some further update here, that contractor is having his colony, and if you resolve very close or with close resolution, you can have this What is the name of this road? Tippereddipalle road. That is this Tippereddipalle village, northeast side. If anybody from local or nearest area, any influencer, content creator, YouTuber, I request you to just come up with whatever you guys have with you, that is drone or videos, ground report, everything. Why we are trying to make all these things? To just clear Modireddipalle, just neighboring Modireddipalle, west, north and northeast. Okay, so given to update. Last one is from this area. I am not going to repeat the names, just check out these tags. Okay, second one with this Kurnool, that is Kurnool to Chennai. Brownfield work for remaining. Surat Chennai Greenfield Expressway is also going there. As time persists, I am going to give that update also. Just those are some landmarks, just for your acknowledgement. So good news for all those people from this, what we call it as Anandpur is part of, this is Bangalore, Karnataka, and Anandpur is there in Andhra Pradesh. So at the northeast border of the Bangalore, that is northeast of the Kodikonda and exactly south of the Puttaparthi. Near this territory you have work in progress for Bangalore, Visakhapatnam greenfield and partially brownfield, as it is expansion of this route up to Kodikonda. Up to Kodikonda from Bangalore, that is north of Bangalore, and this some pronunciation is very difficult, Adanki or something, Adanki. This up to this there is a brownfield from Vijayawada. I think these contribute some 1/3 and rest 2/3 is totally greenfield from Adanki to this Kodikonda. Sorry friends, if anything I am not able to pronounce properly. You might think why I am going to give these updates. So we are very excited about this work going in our country. So with respect to that work and further progress process of people living in territory of such alignments, we are just curious about to give them exact or true information happening nearby them, as they were quite aware, but some people away from their native place and who might be searching on this Google, YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp or Telegram or anywhere else. So it is our honest effort to give some information so that if they have any future plans for their native place, their state like Karnataka, this Andhra Pradesh, they can put forward their ideas for the people of their native land. And I have many things to share as plan A for that national highway crossings with commercial projects, plan B for 30 to 40 feet internal roads for warehousing, cold storage, milk chilling, plan C for farmers who were have their core interest as per as the global supply chain is concerned regarding exports, and plan D is all about tourism. That is just we have seen that Puttaparthi is over there. You guys have this ISKCON temple and your that garden. Many things are there in vicinity. So people traveling from distinct places can able to accommodate themselves as far as their traveling schedule is concerned. So there are a number of facilities you can provide them. So this is all about A, B, C and D. Especially if D is concerned, we can research further and so that if anything which we can promote for tourism purpose, so it is much pleasurous thing to us, so that we can contribute for our people being the prachar, that is means campaigning, prasar means broadcasting, and prabodhan is literating people. What a beautiful thing I have just seen, that Tirupati on this side people get turn on this alignment near this Maidupur, Kadapa. They can travel to Tirupati, and near Puttaparthi they can have we call it as interchange crossing. Somewhere they might give you number of crossing for Puttaparthi also. Every national highway is qualified for crossings. Then comes number of state highways. If any national highway is not there, they may give preference to state highways. So it is all about this Tirupati access, Puttaparthi access. Bangalore is the destination. Visakhapatnam and all the ports on this east port are also accessible through nearest interchange, and there is going to be next revolution as far as freight or that travel expenses are concerned. We are about to minimize it to 2-digit figure to single digit. As we know, the most expensive freight is air freight, then comes road freight, then comes railway, and most cheapest is through water bodies. So you can see this with n number of. Why I am saying n number? Because some Kerala to Kovalam I have explained yesterday. Pune Bangalore is upcoming. Surat to Chennai already work in progress at Gadwal, Telangana, Karnataka, Kalaburgi, and these what we call it as Raichur and Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh, and rest next to Kurnool brownfield is already in progress from Kurnool bypass to Chennai bypass, and Indore Hyderabad is also in full-fledged near Indore up to Maharashtra border, that is this Burhanpur, Indore. I will show you some it will come near this. You may see such work progress. So you may find a number of shots if you search short segment of our channel. So we are up to Surat, Chennai, then this Indore to Hyderabad, then you are seeing this Nagpur to Mumbai, just completing near Mumbai next to Igatpuri up to Kalyan. This Ahmedabad, Vadodara, and this Vadodara Bharuch segment of Delhi Mumbai. We have covered most of the highways, and in upcoming few days we will complete it. You may search our short segment in last 2-3 days. You will have all the shots in background wise with one famous personality, that is our honorable minister for road transport and highways, Shri Nitinji Gadkari. With his background wise, I have tried to cover most of the highways. Now as it is just link of your Bengaluru Vijayawada, so we are just able to see these 59 places only. Khammam, that highway one I have covered. Khammam, I think it is I will go to our main screen so that it can sparkle. Yes, this yellow is Nagpur Mumbai, that is the main curiosity behind my this informative section. I used to tag villages and then used to remove that tags with work going on for last 4 to 5 years, or might be much more. I'm continuously keeping eyes on work going on. We have covered this Khammam to this village. What is the name of that village? Sorry, because it is not familiar, so difficult to pronounce, but I have covered that Khammam to this territory before this border. Just you search or surf, just I will take it to if anybody familiar able to surf or search, so you just check out this short segment and you will find today's 3 updates, then yesterday's all these updates, some funny videos, some latest information in regional Marathi language regarding local projects. But you can just have introductory section next to this Prekshaniya shot. You will have this 2 days before this 27/2024 June. You will have.
मैं आपको पूछना चाहता हूं, आप
This is our YouTube channel where you are just listening all the updates. As it is not able to give proper resolution, you just check out short segment and